Did you know the biggest art heist in history happened in broad daylight while guards were inside the building? In 1990, two men dressed as Boston police officers knocked on the doors of the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum. It was St. Patrick's Day. The guards let them in without question. The fake cops said they were responding to a disturbance call. They handcuffed both guards and locked them in the basement. For the next 81 minutes, these thieves had free reign of one of America's most prestigious museums. They stole 13 pieces worth over $500 million, including paintings by Rembrandt and Vermeer. They cut the canvases right out of their frames, destroyed priceless works of art in the process. The thieves vanished without a trace. The FBI has followed thousands of leads across 3 decades, offered a $10 million reward, but those paintings have never been found. The empty frames still hang in the museum today, waiting for masterpieces that may never come home, the perfect crime that's still unsolved.